Fronting. Fronting is when velar or palatal sounds like K, G, and SH are replaced by alveolar sounds like T, D, or Z. Practice velar and palatal sounds to reduce phonological process of fronting. Velar consonants. To say velar consonants, the body of the tongue touches or close to touches the soft palate. To find your soft palate, I want you to pretend that you're licking peanut butter off the roof of your mouth. Take the tip of your tongue and go from your top teeth, right behind there, until it gets soft and squishy. You'll feel it, a bumpy part, that's the alveolar ridge. It'll be hard, and then you'll feel it start to get soft. That's your soft palate. Velar consonants are K, G, and NG, K, G, and Ng. Let's practice. Luggage. Luggage. Gate. Gate. Goat. Goat. Tag. Tag. Log. Log. Wagon. Wagon. Geese. Geese. Cuddle. Cuddle. Duck. Duck. Target. Target. Buck. Buck. Ketchup. Ketchup. Penguin. Penguin. Duck. Duck. Octopus. Octopus. Goat. Goat. Dark. Dark. Necklace. Necklace. Singer. Singer. Flamingos. Flamingos. Escalator. Escalator. Sleeping. Sleeping. Stinger. Stinger. alligator, alligator, quick, quick, bangle, bangle, workout, workout, unique, unique, orca, orca, kicks, kicks, ranger, ranger, organic, organic, zigzag, zigzag, zodiac, zodiac, boxing, boxing, zinc, zinc, thinking, thinking, kayak, kayak, moving, moving, give, give, palatal consonants. To say palatal consonants, the body of the tongue touches or close to touches the hard palate. To find your hard palate, I want you to pretend you're licking peanut butter off the roof of your mouth. Take the tip of your tongue and feel right behind your top teeth. Do you feel the bumps and how hard it is? That's your hard palate. Once it starts to feel soft and squishy, that's your soft palate. So stop there. You don't want to go that far. There's only one palatal consonant in the English language, the sound Y or ya. Sometimes you'll see it written as it looks like a J sound because that's how speech therapists write it. But you know it says ya and it's a Y sound. Let's practice some of those sounds. I just want you to repeat after me. Let's go. Yo-yo, yo-yo. New York, New York. Lawyer, lawyer. Royal, royal. Yam, yam. Yolk, yolk. Yell, yell. Yard, yard, yellow, yellow, yarn, yarn, yacht, yacht, yawn, yawn. You did such a great job. This is tough, and you did awesome. I'm so proud. If you need help, that's okay. Comment down below and let me know what you need help with. If you had trouble with any specific sound, make sure you check out my playlist, Articulation Speech Sounds. Look up that sound and practice with it. I'll see you soon. Bye.